ابتدا है रब जुल जलाल के बाबरकत नाम से जो दिलों के भेद खूब जानता है। तमाम देखने और सुनने वालों को आपकी मेज़बान नादिया खान का सलाम। अब देख रहे हैं नंबरदार टीवी।
Introduction. The Guardians of Tradition. The Lumbardars and Nambardars have long been the backbone of local governance in Pakistan. Their roots trace back to centuries, holding significant roles in administration and revenue collection. These village headmen have been the bridge between the government and the rural populace. They ensured the smooth functioning of local affairs, making them indispensable. Their legacy is rich with stories of leadership, resilience, and service. Historically, the Lumbardars were more than just tax collectors. They were custodians of culture and tradition. Their authority extended to various aspects of village life, from resolving disputes to organizing community activities. The respect they commanded was immense. This essay delves into their evolution from the Mughal era through British colonial rule to contemporary Pakistan. In exploring their journey, we will highlight the struggles and achievements of this unique institution. Through the stories of key figures like Ali, Hassan, and Ahmed, we see the essence of their spirit. Their contributions have shaped the rural landscape of Pakistan. Let's uncover the fascinating history of the Lumbardars. The Mughal era laid the foundation for the Lumbardar system. This period saw the centralization of power and the introduction of structured revenue collection. Lumbardars were appointed to manage local affairs and collect taxes. They were the eyes and ears of the Mughal administration in the villages.
Their role was crucial in maintaining order and ensuring the flow of revenue to the empire. These village headmen were often chosen from influential families. They were respected for their wisdom and leadership. The Mughals empowered them with significant authority.
They resolved local disputes, maintained law and order, and oversaw agricultural productivity. Their presence was a symbol of stability and governance. However, the position of Lumbardar was not without challenges. They had to balance their loyalty to the Mughal authorities and the needs of their communities. This dual responsibility often put them in difficult situations, yet their commitment to duty remained unwavering. This era established the Lumbardars as integral figures in rural administration. The British colonization of India brought significant changes to the Lumbardar system. The British retained this institution, but modified it to suit their administrative needs. Lumbardars became crucial agents in the British revenue system. They were responsible for collecting taxes and maintaining records. This period saw a formalization of their roles and responsibilities.
Under British rule, the power dynamic shifted. The British used Lumbardars to extend their control over rural areas. This often led to tension and conflict. Lumbardars were seen as collaborators by some and oppressors by others. Despite this, they continued to play a vital role in local governance.
Their knowledge of local customs and dynamics was invaluable to the British administration. Throughout the colonial period, Lumbardars faced numerous challenges. They had to navigate the complexities of colonial policies and local expectations. Some resisted British policies, becoming symbols of resistance. Others worked within the system to bring benefits to their communities. Their legacy during this era is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. With the independence of Pakistan in 1947, the role of Lumbardars underwent further transformation. The new nation inherited the colonial administrative framework.
Lumbardars continued to be pivotal in rural governance. However, our roles evolved to meet the demands of a changing society. We became more integrated into the democratic and administrative processes of the new state.
In post-independence Pakistan, Lumbardars were involved in various developmental initiatives. They worked with government agencies to implement policies and programs.
Our deep-rooted connections with local communities made us effective in mobilizing resources and support. We played a key role in land reforms and agricultural development.
Despite their contributions, Lumbardars faced new challenges. Political changes and modernization efforts sometimes undermined their authority. Corruption and power struggles also affected their effectiveness.
Yet, many of us continue to serve with dedication, adapting to the new realities of independent Pakistan. Our ability to evolve has kept us relevant in the contemporary landscape.
Ali was a prominent Lumbardar during the late Mughal era. Known for his wisdom and fairness, he was respected by both the Mughal authorities and his community.
My leadership set a high standard for future Lombarders. My legacy is one of integrity and dedication.
Hassan emerged as a significant figure during the British colonial period. He was known for his resistance against unjust colonial policies.
My efforts to safeguard the interests of my community made me a symbol of resistance. Despite facing numerous challenges, I remained steadfast in my duties. My story is one of courage and resilience.
Ahmed represents the modern-day Lumbardar. Living in post-independence Pakistan, he has seen the role of Lumbardars evolve significantly.
I have been actively involved in local governance and development projects. My efforts to modernize agricultural practices have been commendable. I embody the spirit of adaptability and progress.
In contemporary Pakistan, the relevance of Lumbardars continues. They remain crucial in bridging the gap between the government and rural communities. Their deep understanding of local issues makes them valuable in policy implementation.
Lumbardars are often the first point of contact for rural citizens seeking assistance. Our role in local governance is still significant. Modern Lumbardars have adapted to new challenges.
They are involved in various aspects of rural development, from education to healthcare. Their leadership is pivotal in mobilizing community resources and support. The evolution of their role reflects the changing needs of society. They continue to be pillars of their communities.
However, the role of Lumbardars is not without its criticisms. Issues of corruption and power abuse have surfaced. There are debates about the relevance of this traditional institution in a modern state.
Despite these challenges, many Lumbardars strive to uphold their responsibilities with integrity. Their continued relevance is a testament to their adaptability and importance. The journey of the Lumbardars and Nambardars is a testament to resilience and adaptability. From the Mughal era to modern-day Pakistan, they have evolved to meet the changing needs of society. Their roles in local governance, revenue collection, and community leadership have been significant. They have navigated through colonial pressures, political changes, and modernization challenges. Figures like Ali, Hassan, and Ahmed highlight the spirit of the Lumbardar community. Their stories reflect the struggles and triumphs of this institution. The Lumbardar's legacy is rich with anecdotes of resistance, unity, and success. Their contributions have left an indelible mark on the rural landscape of Pakistan. As Pakistan continues to develop, the relevance of Lumbardars remains. They are the guardians of tradition and the harbingers of progress. Their unique position allows them to blend the old with the new. The echoes of their legacy continue.